Bitcoin. The digital gold that's disrupted the financial system, sparked a global movement, and fueled countless debates. But where did it all begin? How did this revolutionary technology come to life? And what does its journey tell us about the future of money? Welcome to Jack's Crypto, where this video will break down the fascinating history of Bitcoin. Our story begins in 2008. The world was in the midst of a financial crisis. Trust in banks and governments was crumbling. Amid this chaos, an anonymous individual or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a Peer-to-Peer Electronic Cash System. This 9-page document laid the groundwork for a decentralized currency that didn't rely on traditional financial institutions. The white paper introduced blockchain technology, a public ledger where every Bitcoin transaction would be recorded and verified by a network of computers, making it nearly impossible to alter. On January 3, 2009, the Bitcoin network went live with the mining of the first ever block, known as the Genesis block, or Block 0. It is the block that all other blocks afterwards are added, which began the process of validating transactions, and is the key to the security of the blockchain. Embedded in the block's code was a message. The Times, 03 Jan 2009 Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. This wasn't just a timestamp, it was a statement, a critique of the traditional financial system. Like gold, Bitcoin cannot be created arbitrarily. Gold must be mined out of the ground, and Bitcoin must be mined digitally. Only 21 million Bitcoin can ever be mined. They cannot be replaced if lost. This is what creates the scarcity of Bitcoin. In the early days, Bitcoin had no real monetary value. It was mined and traded by a small group of cryptography enthusiasts. But soon, this niche community began to grow. More and more people begin to mine for Bitcoin. Fast forward to May 22, 2010, a day now celebrated as Bitcoin Pizza Day. A programmer named Laszlo Hanyecz made the first ever real-world transaction using Bitcoin, 10,000 BTC for 2 pizzas. At the time, that transaction was worth about $41 today. Those Bitcoin are worth hundreds of millions of dollars. This transaction proved Bitcoin could be used as a medium of exchange, but it was just the beginning. As Bitcoin gained traction, it faced challenges and controversies. In 2011, Bitcoin reached parity with the US dollar, but it also became the currency of choice on the dark web marketplace, Silk Road. This brought attention, both good and bad, from regulators, the media, investors, and developers. Early on, Bitcoin was used for illegal activities as part of the mentioned digital black market platform. Bitcoin was not created for this use, but was merely adopted by it as a means to transfer funds that were outside of traditional monetary systems and at a high speed. As investigations into these activities increased, the FBI realized what this new monetary system was and stated, "Bitcoins are not illegal in and of themselves and have known legitimate uses." Then came the Mt. Gox scandal in 2014, where 850,000 BTC were stolen, shaking confidence in the ecosystem. This event taught many Bitcoin adopters a great lesson. If you keep your Bitcoin on an exchange, it's not really yours. The best way to ensure security and control is to transfer your Bitcoin into your own wallet. Despite these setbacks, Bitcoin's resilience kept it alive. Over the years, Bitcoin has seen dramatic highs and lows, from its first major price surge in 2013 to the bull run of 2017, where it first broke out and nearly hit $20,000, shocking everyone. Then to its recent high in 2024 of $108,000, Bitcoin has moved from being something people said was a scam to attracting mainstream attention. Online chat and searches have increased exponentially over the last few years, with crypto wallet adoption growth outpacing internet adoption growth when comparing starting time periods. Companies like Tesla and Square started investing, and El Salvador even adopted it as legal tender in 2021. MicroStrategy owner Michael Saylor has bet big on Bitcoin. His company has purchased over 440,000 Bitcoins and show no signs of slowing down. His predictions for the price of Bitcoin include $1 million per coin in 2030, $3 million per coin in 2033, and $13 million per coin by 2045. In addition, new exchanges were created which allowed easy purchase, trade, and transfer of Bitcoin from your cell phone. Banks begin to allow for the transfer of funds into these exchanges to purchase Bitcoin, but they do not allow it to be purchased using credit. Today, Bitcoin is more than a currency. It's a store of value, a hedge against inflation, and for many, a symbol of financial freedom. So, what's next for Bitcoin? Will it replace traditional currencies? Will it coexist with central bank digital currencies? Or will it remain a digital asset for investors and tech enthusiasts? One thing is clear: Bitcoin has already changed how we think about money. Only 7% of the people in the world has created a crypto wallet, with only 3% owning at least some Bitcoin. What happens to the price of this limited asset when more of the world wants their own piece? From its mysterious origins to its role as a global financial disruptor, Bitcoin's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, understanding its history helps us appreciate its potential. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of crypto. Thanks for watching, and now you know thanks to Jaxx Crypto.